say morning? It is a little bit past 8 right now. We are going to IKEA today. This one's gonna take a bath real quick. You wanna take a bath? You wanna take a bath? Cause you stink. You stinky. She's ready for a bath. Get her a bath, get her dressed, then get myself dressed. Then I think I'm probably making a cup of coffee because I need one right now. As you can see, my eyes are baggy, extra baggy. And then wake the other 2 kids up and get them ready so we can head out to IKEA. All right, you ready to get in the bath? Get this one in the bath now. Cheese. While Araya is taking her bath, I'm letting her play with her toys at the moment. She has soap in her hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I'm gonna put some makeup on now. I really don't wear makeup unless I'm really going somewhere, and because I'm going to IKEA, I'm gonna get a little dressed up than I normally do. Always looking ratchet, because I'm always looking ratchet. I have no shame in it, because majority of the days it's t-shirt, pants, t-shirt, or shorts. I have always been comfortable this way. I hate doing my own hair. I hate doing my own girl's hair because I have very thick Mexican hair. Thick. Look at this. Can you not tell this is all real? This is all my hair. I've been asked this all my life. Is that your real hair? It's my real hair. I just have a crap ton of it. And 1, it's just too much to deal with. 2, I don't like it down because I get hot easily with all this hair. So I always have, majority of times, I have it up in a bun. I've been known as the bun girl because I have it in a bun all the time. Dressing up here and there. I don't mind that. My girls, they love makeup. They love dressing up, which is funny because I don't. So, don't laugh at my. Honestly, I don't even know if this even. I think that might be a little. Can't tell, this lighting in this bathroom is horrible. We'll see. I also need to get my face dark again because look at my arms. Look at. Totally different. But I also wear caps when I'm walking so good in from school. So I know that's the other reason. Do not laugh at my makeup skills because I'm telling you, man, I don't wear makeup. I really don't care. I get the basics done, and I probably wouldn't even say I'm good at the basics. But I'm fine with that. And that's okay. If you're not good at it, you can always learn. And I have done and watched some videos. Like, let me put some more in. If you're asking what this is, it's from, what's that store called that does like the bath bombs? Got it from there. And yeah, it's almost done. Which is, I'm trying to hurry up and finish it. I need to go get my eyebrows done. They're getting a little too hairy. Very hairy. Again, do not laugh at me. I'm horrible. I'm horrible. Well, yep. Horrible, horrible, horrible. But again, Never said I was good at makeup. This is, if I do wear makeup, it's foundation, mascara. I won't be putting mascara on today because I'm out of mascara. I need to go get some. Lipstick, lip gloss, maybe some kind of eyeshadow, but majority times none, because that's the part I really suck at, is putting eyeshadow on. I'm so confused on how to do that. But I'm going to put lipstick on. I'm going to put the MAC Selena. I still have it. Use it a lot because I always like to have it for good occasions, but no, they didn't. My kids got a hold of my lipstick. Can you tell, like, someone bit into it? I swear. Either way, it's MAC Selena. I got it, I think they released it back in 2017. Yeah, it's been that long. And I know makeup is not supposed to last that long. Oh well, it's still good. But so I'm gonna have to find a brush. Do I even have a brush right now? Here, I'm just gonna have to. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna go find my brush. Can't, I swear. Just gonna outline. Oh my god. This is, you put it way too high because of outline is way too high. All right. Just to start this over again. Okay. If you see, yes, I have a mustache. I gotta go get that done too. I'm a very hairy person. If you can't tell by my hair, I'm a very hairy person. If you hear my husband, something's going on with his laptop again. Okay, the top is looking a little bit better. Good enough. I'm just gonna fix the bottom real quick though to get the more of a better outline. And then I'm gonna call it as, call it as that, but let me just go ahead and do this real quick. I'm just gonna this is my makeup routine. This is gonna be as best as it's gonna get with me. Okay. Again, don't judge me. If you do, oh well. It's amazing. Just a little bit of makeup does to me. Amazing. And Araya, we are heading to not Target, IKEA. We need to grab a chair. I need to grab some utensils, and then just look around. It's been a minute since I've been IKEA, but we're gonna go there, and then depending on how the girls behave, we can do maybe something afterwards. Okay? Y'all ready? Say hi.
Hi.
And there's Rai with the ball on her head. She's waving hi. Let's get on to IKEA. Now Raya's upset because I took the phone away from her. Okay. Put this phone on the charger. I need to learn how to mug because it's so broke. I'm going to turn the DVD. I have the DVD player in here for them. Get the movie started because they'll be saying something else. For someone that doesn't know how to do makeup, it's not bad. But my eyebrows, I need to look at my eyebrows now. I need to look at my eyebrows. Judge. No, but hey, my husband loves me. That's what has to count, right? Okay.
So, you're here, Grace.
I had plans to. Oh shit! Had to run the curb because this was a little tight pulling in. I had plans that we're gonna eat at IKEA because it's 12 o'clock already, and it's gonna take us still 30 or 40 minutes to get there. I'm just gonna stop at McDonald's and grab something to eat for lunch because I know I'm starving. Their girls ate breakfast, but I didn't. Cheeseburger nuggets. Grace?
Cheese.
Okay. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Are you going out today? You should go ahead with your item and everything. Going to do 2 Happy Meal cheeseburgers, please.
Okay.
With Sprite. What do y'all want to drink? Sprite, Grace. With both Sprite, please. And then can I get a 4-piece nugget as well?
Happy meal or just a nugget?
Just a nugget, please.
Okay.
And
what's the sauce?
no, barbecue sauce.
Okay. Anything else?
What do I want for me?
You said no?
Oh yeah, sorry, I'm looking for me.
Okay.
Can I get the number 5 meal, please, with a Coke and barbecue sauce?
Okay.
And then that'll be all. Hang on, put a couple, please. There you go, Grace. Couple, please. And then we're looking at Sprite and Coke. There you go, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. There we go, Grace. Yours. Okay, we just pulled into IKEA. I love these utensils.
I see. Now,
Does that look nice?
yeah.
Cheeseburger.
Look at that.
Yeah. Okay, girly girl. What are y'all cooking?
Food. Whoa, that's awesome stuff. Oh, yeah.
I need to get another chair. I think I'm gonna get a white one though. It's gonna be. Let's go to the playground downstairs. It's some fun. $6.99 for a set of 3. I think I've seen these cheaper on Temu, so I'll just wait. I might get one of these so we can put some clothes, some winter clothes underneath our bed because we need some storage. Because there's a few things I need to keep for the girls, but this house that we're in does not have storage. Oh, that has a bug in it. Get one without a bug. Get one without a bug. Okay. Okay, I gotta get a lid. Excuse me. You're right. You got a cookie? Cookie? What'd you get? What'd you get? Ginger snap and a white chocolate? You got the same thing for chicken? What'd you get?
I'll think about that.
Good? Good, right? Currently waiting to check out now. We're waiting to check out. Are we waiting to check out? Because it's a long line. Oh, thank you. Delicious cookie. Okay, it's 3:12 now, so we've been here for about 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 2 hours that I was expecting. I spent $94.78 at IKEA. That was the total amount. Whew. $100. $100. The underbed storage container. I didn't get that because apparently the lid was an extra $10.50. It wasn't just $10.50 for the whole container. And so that was going to be $21. I'm good. I'm not paying $21. At first I was in the regular checkout lane, which I didn't realize until until we were getting closer to the checkout line, and it was taking forever too, and the other lines were going faster. I was like, okay, let's go to self-checkout. When I was doing self-checkout is when I was watching the people laundering, and that's what he said, just to let me know that those were two separate prices. So I had to check out both of them. I'm like, wait, what? So when I scanned it, it came out to $21.50. I was like, yeah, I won't get this. Put that back. So I'm gonna have to look at the video and see what that said. Cause yeah, $21.50. No, $21.50. Now I'm going to feed Araya. She wants to eat, and then it's 3:50. I guess head home at this point. My head is itching right now. I need to wash my hair. Wash my hair. When I get home, I can show you everything for sure that I got. Yeah, we'll see you back at the house. Okay, well, we're home now, but Emmy and Grace are asleep. So, or Araya and Grace. Thank you, Emmy. Stay corrected. Mariah and Grace are asleep. And it's like Grace, she'll probably stay asleep, but Araya, more likely she'll wake up if I get her out of the car seat. Because one, she's in the middle, and I have 3 car seats next to each other. So I have to lean over Grace's car seat to get into Araya. And they kind of like pull her out. So it's not an easy transition. So I'm debating, I might just wait in the car or truck. But Emmy's ready to go inside. So I'll just show y'all in here. This is not much that really needs to show in the house. So I got this for the girls. It's, I don't know these words. Blamingad. It's a design paper where they can color, kind of like a coloring book, but it's just in a roll, and it goes onto their easel. That I got.
Pizza. Yeah, you have to share the pizza. And actually want to cook. You want to cook it.
Let me see. Let me start the show.
I gotta show it.
Yeah. Oh, so it comes with an actual like little pizza dish, pizza pan. Then the pizza crust, and then the different meats and vegetables that you can put to make your pizza.
And then you
So it's supposed to be like that. And it's all felt.
And that's your mommy.
Or is it? Okay, so this isn't felt. This is like material, but the actual pizza, I think that's felt. Yeah, this is like felt. So this part is felt, along with the little. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah,
The mushrooms, peppers, sardine, tomatoes. It's a cute little sardine.
And no, it's a fish.
Onions.
What it says a fish?
I'm guessing. I think pineapple. But who's pineapple on their pizza? I don't.
This is not pineapple. That's not pineapple. That's just pepper.
I think this is supposed to be pepperoni.
No, that's ketchup.
No, ketchup don't go on. Then the cheese slices.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Then some spring lettuce.
Yeah.
And I believe this is supposed to be like the marinara sauce. So
And for the pizza.
that's cute.
And that's all you got. And here. And you. No, but not here.
This was $14.99.
Yeah, I'll
$14.99.
hold.
Okay, don't drop the pieces though. Got new plates for the girls because the other plate, 3 of them, they're becoming very stained because when they are cutting into the food, the bottoms have got stained. So some new ones. These are pretty pastel colors. I like them. It's a 6-pack.
You got those for us?
These were $2.99. $2.99 for a 6-pack. They sell the bowls as well for a 6-pack, separate. Then I got new silverware as for them because I had to throw most of their forks are thrown away because when they're biting, it's plastic, they're tearing it off, chewing it all up. So got new silverware. It comes with the knives. You see how it's not too sharp, where they can practice. Emmy's good at cutting. And then it comes with the spoons as well. So you get forks, spoons, and
Pizza.
9 for $14.99. 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 9 for $14.99.
$2.99. $2.99 for 18 pack. Not bad.
And awesome.
This is elderflower. You can make this into a lemonade, or you can, you know, go like an Italian way, which I know is not an Italian drink, but it's a good European drink. And boy, let me tell you, get you some if you have an IKEA. Favorite drink to make with this is don't come at me if I'm mispronouncing this or whatever, but a Hugo Spritz.
Mommy, look.
I had,
Lala.
oh wow, delicious. Oh, her pizza she made. Okay, that's a good pizza. Thank you, though. I had this in Italy when we were living there. Every time we went to a little cafe bar, Hugo Spritz on a summer Italian day. Best drink ever. I'm not lying. Best drink ever. I'm gonna have to make this at home because it literally is a nice summer drink. Again, you don't have to make it alcoholic. You could just pour in some water, pour in some of this, and make a lemonade for the kids to drink. It's that good. But you can't go wrong with it. This was $4.99. This is for a 495 ml. There it goes. A 16 ounce bottle, $4.99. Not bad. But get you some of this so you can get you a Hugo Spritz. You can't go wrong. Literally, I got 3 packs of these cinnamon rolls because they're really good. I kind of already only got 2 left in this one bag. I got 3 of these, so technically I only have 2 now. So they were like $1.29 each, but if you were an IKEA family member, again, it's easy to sign up. It was 3 for 3, so it came out $1 each. So I got 3 of these. Then I got some sponges. They were $1.29, I believe. I'm going to use these for the bathroom though. Use it for the bathroom. I got 2 of these. So basically this, about the size of my hand. I got 2 of these. And it comes with the lids as well. Christian called, my husband. He's like, why are you in the truck still? Because I'm recording and Araya and Grace is asleep and I don't want to wake them up. Like, with the truck running? Yes, the truck running. It's called AC. It's hot here in Florida. I'm burning up as soon as I walk outside. I'm sweating. And that was my IKEA haul. Yeah, that was everything I got from IKEA. Oh, the main reason why I went to IKEA was for the chair. So, this was the main reason I went to IKEA. They have a pink table and pink chairs, but I went with white this time instead of another pink. They had blue, but I didn't want blue, so I might eventually go back and grab another chair, so they'll have 4 chairs together. So pink and white. Then Araya can finally sit at the table and not be fighting with Grace, because Grace she doesn't ever sit down. She doesn't sit down. And then she gets upset because Araya beat her to the chair. So, simple solution, just buy another chair so I don't have to hear it no more. But this will definitely be a little bit of a lifesaver, and I can stop hearing them cry over a chair because they'll have another chair. But this was everything now from my IKEA haul. Hey, be careful, Raya, please. Oh, poor Grace. Okay, yeah, I guess I'm gonna take the girls in so they can sleep, so Grace can not have her neck hurting. Poor thing. Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.